Alright, lesson 11, 第11课 The title is 他比我大3岁 岁 is years of age or years old, something you don't have in English. And 3 大 big 我 I 比 is the character for comparison, the comparison structure. Right? B, A, B, B, then a description. That means A is more of this description than B. For example, 他比我大. He is bigger or older than I. 他比我好. He's better than I. 你比我小. You are smaller or younger than I, right? And then there might be a supplement to the description. For example, 3 years older, right? So 3 years older than I. Or it could be 大一点儿, a bit older than I. Okay, so this description here, adjective here, could be something else to complement this adjective to make it more complicated. Now, let's take a look at the first conversation. We have A saying, 王芳昨天和你一起唱歌的人是谁? Alright, there's a the construction here, and after the we have a 人. So a person who does all those things together. 唱歌 to sing a song. Look at this 歌, right? The left part is the 歌 for older brother, 哥哥, right? Try to remember that. 唱 is to sing, 唱歌 together is sing songs or sing. 一起 together, 和你 with you, 昨天 yesterday. So the person who was singing together with you yesterday is who? Who is the person? B says 一个朋友, a friend. Measure word. And A says what friend? 什么朋友？什么朋友？是不是男朋友？是不是 be or not be? Boyfriend, male friend, 男朋友。男, remember this word? It's the field and the power. Power in the field. So it's a male. B 是不是不是 No. 我同学介绍的 A lot of omission here. 介绍的我介绍的朋友 Right? Who 谁介绍的？我同学介绍的。昨天第一次见 Again, a lot of omissions. I firstly met him yesterday. Right? 我昨天第一次见他，第一次 the first time, 昨天 yesterday, and 见 is to meet. Right? And then number 2 we have another the construction, the structure. 左边这个看报纸的女孩子is a 女孩子。What kind of 女孩子？看报纸的女孩子。这个看报纸的女孩子。左边这个看报纸的女孩子。The girl was reading paper. This girl who's reading newspaper on the left. 是你姐姐吗？女孩子是你姐姐吗？ Girl is your sister, yes or no? Yes, 是。右边写字的那个人的那个人 that person. What kind of that person? It's writing Chinese characters on the right. 右边写字的那个人是我哥哥 older brother. 右 right? There's a mouth on the U, and the 左 there's a work 左. So left brain is working, logical. Right brain is creative, speaking. Remember, that's why we have a mouth on the right and a work on the left. A says 你哥哥多大? That's an easy sentence. How old? B says 25岁. That's the grammar point of the lesson. 他比我大3岁, 3 years older, bigger than I. He than I, big, 3 years old. Okay. Now, number 3, we have A saying, 今天的西瓜怎么卖？今天的西瓜怎么卖？卖 to sell. If you take away the cross on the top, it becomes another Chinese character, which is 买, the third tone, which means buy. 买 and 卖, buy and sell. And put them together, we have business, 买卖. 什么买卖? What kind of business? 怎么卖? How to sell? How do you sell something? Doesn't mean how you sell something, but in what way you're going to sell. So how much are you going to charge in the process of selling this 西瓜 West melon? 瓜 is a melon, 西 is west. It is a watermelon. 今天的 does construction. Today's watermelon. 3块5一斤. Oh, 3块5 is 3.50, not 3.05. It's 3.5. And we look at that, it was a 3.5. In Chinese, in English, you see 3.50. You see 3.50. In Chinese, we see 3.5. So 3块5 is 3.50. 一斤, 1 half kilogram. 斤 is the measure word for half kilogram. 公斤, we learned that word before. 公斤 is a kilogram. Do you remember the girl was 70 公斤, or girl, a guy, 70 公斤, 70公斤, right? So every half a kilo is 3.50. 比昨天便宜. It's a weird sentence. It's compare yesterday cheap, right? So 今天 today compare yesterday cheap. So today is cheaper than yesterday. 今天比昨天便宜. And B says 是苹果 apple 也 also 比昨天便宜一些. Now, this is also a B construction, but there's some sort of supplements here. 也 also, it's easy to understand. And now if you take a look at this comparison, English, you would never do this, right? There would be a wrong sentence because you cannot compare 苹果 with 昨天. So apple is cheaper than yesterday, or somehow 一些 means some, to some degree. So some or somehow. Apple is somehow more cheap than yesterday. So, but you understand the sentence, right? It means 今天的苹果, today's apple, also 也比昨天的苹果便宜一些. But then omissions there here. So again, that's Chinese. And the next one, 您来点儿吧. 您, very polite way of saying 你 plus a heart. So 您. 来 is to come, but not just to come. It's the action of from a distance to the position closer to you, right? So that's the concept of it. So 您来 means you have some, right? You take some, you bring some, you grab some, right? You take something from far away from you and then bring it to closer to you, and then you hold it and you go away. So that's this concept of 来. So why don't you buy some? 来点儿 a bit. You buy a bit 吧 suggestion. Depending on the context, 来 in here is to buy. Now, number 4, again, there's a the construction. And 那个人 the person, that person, what kind of that person? 前边 in the front. What is he doing? 说话 right? The person who's speaking in the front. 前边说话的那个人就是 just is, that is, that's what Jill gives, the vibe Jill gives. That, just that, okay? 是我的汉语老师 my Chinese teacher. 你可能不认识他。认识 is to know a person. Okay? 知道 is to know a thing. 他可能可 is from 可以 may 能 is from can may can new word maybe. You maybe not know him. Okay, you might not know him. Now pay attention to this thing. 可能 means maybe. It is used before the verb. Right? Don't say 不可能. In this sentence, you cannot say 不可能 because 不可能, not maybe in Chinese is also another word, means impossible. 不可能 is impossible. 可能不 maybe not. Remember that difference. And B says 是新来的汉语老师吗？汉语老师 Chinese teacher 新来的 newly come. See, this 来 is definitely not the same as this 来, although it's the same word, same meaning. You 您来点, you take some, you buy some, and this 来 is arrive, to come, to arrive this place. Okay, from a distance to a place. So newly come, newly arrived Chinese teacher. Is it? Okay. And A says 是去年来的 omission 汉语老师 is omitted 是去年来的汉语老师他姓王姓 surname 我姓李你姓什么 What's your surname? 28岁 28 years old 他比我们老师小2岁。Okay? 他 A B 我们老师 is B, so she is smaller of 2 years old than our teacher. 他比我们老师小2岁. A couple of new vocabulary in the sentence. In this lesson, 可能 is quite important. 姓说话 that's easy. 便宜 is an important one. And what else? B is the most important one, of course. And the structure A plus B, B plus B, and plus an adjective. And the adjective can be complicated with some supplements, right? And 唱歌 is an action. 我喜欢唱歌, like to sing. Karaoke, Chinese people love to sing karaoke. And I should take you guys sometimes to sing karaoke. Once I can sing karaoke, only if unless I'm completely drunk. So we're gonna have to drink a lot of booze. All right, so that's that. I will see you next lesson. Take care. Bye bye.